Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Here I am using the old famous Urban Decay Naked palette, and the color I'm going to be using for my crease is going to be Buck, and the makeup brush is by Sigma E40. Decided to do this voiceover because there was a lot of noise in the background and I wanted to make a video for you guys and put it up before Valentine's Day in case you guys decide to create this look. At least you guys have it before Valentine's Day. Here I am using the Too Faced palette, and the color I'm going to be using is Cotton Candy, and that's going to be for my lid. And the brush I am using is by Morphe. Then here I have the pencil brush E30 by Sigma, and the color I'm using is Dark Turtle from the Too Faced palette. I am putting this on the outer crease. If you guys do decide to create this look, please hashtag me on Instagram. I would love to see your pictures. I will put the name on the screen. The brush I'm using is the blending brush by Sigma E25. And keep blending, guys. Here I have the BHCosmetics palette. The color I'm going to be using is the hot pink. As you know, they don't have name on the palette, and the brush I am using is by Morphe. And you guys don't really have to create a same look. You could go use a more soft pink. Now moving on to the bottom of the eyes, here I'm using the e.l.f. pencil brush, and the color I'm using from the Naked palette is Buck. The brush I'm showing here is by Morphe, and I'm using Cotton Candy from the Too Faced palette. So what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Anything special you guys have planned? Comment down below and let me know. As for me, I'm not doing anything for Valentine's Day. Here I am using the Jaclyn Hill Becca, the color Champagne, and the brush I am using is by Sigma E20, and I am putting that on my backbone. And I am using is the Kat Von D palette. The color I'm using is Sindra with the flat brush, and I am putting that on my inner corner. And then moving on to my liquid eyeliner, and I am using CoverGirl. And then I'm using the eyeliner by Maybelline. And for the first time, I'm going to be using Bombshell Bunny lashes. The name is Natalie. As you know me, I'm always using Adele lashes, but I decided to try something new. And these lashes are beautiful. They're great quality. They're dramatic. It makes your eyes look beautiful. I will put the link down below. They have all kinds of different ones, so you could go ahead and check it out yourself. So moving on, here I am using is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the brush I'm going to be using is Real Technique 301. As usual, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit with my Morphe brush. Here I have my favorite bronzy pearls. They are back in stock. They're in limited edition. I will put the link down below. You could go ahead and check them out. Last day will be on February 14. Here I have the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it is one of my favorite concealer. And I'm using the Real Technique sponge. And for blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild, and the brush I'm using is Real Technique 100. And for pressed powder, I'm going to use is Maybelline Fit Me, and the brush I'm using is by Morphe. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Becca Jaclyn Hill. The color is Champagne, and the brush I'm using is the fan brush by Morphe. And if you guys have any makeup suggestion but you want me to try it on, please let me know in the bottom below. I'm open for any suggestion. Here I'm using my setting spray Mario Badowski, and for mascara I'm using Telescope by L'Oreal. And for the lip pencil, I'm using Jordana Plush Plum, and the color I'm going to use is Dosage of Color and Rosebud. And on top of that, I'm going to put my lip plumper and the lip gloss by ColourPop. Alright guys, this is final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like, comment down below, share my video, subscribe, hit that bell so you could get a notification every time I upload video. I will link everything on the description box. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye.